Okay, so I've got 3 chart examples here, and these are the 3 people that are in my book, Enjoying Equal House, Why One of the Oldest Astrological House Systems is So Easy to Use. And I just want to explain briefly what it is about the equal house system that makes it easier. So we'll just start with this person. So this is our student, and this is their chart. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you'll be able to see it more easily. Zoom in. Okay, so they are a sun sign Pisces, they've got moon in Cancer, they've got Mercury in Pisces, etc. There's all their planets. There's their chart, and their chart starts here. That symbol there, blum, 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 looks like a letter M with a curly tail on the end going inwards. That's the sign of Virgo, and their ascendant is 19 degrees 23. At the bottom of the chart, where it says AC, it says 19 degrees Virgo 23:29. So that's 23 minutes and 29 seconds. That's been rounded up actually on the chart itself because there's not enough room to stick all the numbers in. So if you want the exact numbers and you've got some Virgo planets in your chart, they'll be written down there. So because this young lady's chart starts at 19 degrees blah de blah in the sign of Virgo, every one of her other houses, and there's 12 of them, will also start at 19 degrees. So that's her first house, and it starts in Virgo, 19 degrees Virgo. Second house starts in the sign of Libra, 19 degrees into Libra. Third house starts 19 degrees Scorpio. Fourth house starts 19 degrees Sagittarius. Now, because there's 30 degrees to each sign of the zodiac, so this segment here in the sign of Virgo is going to be 30 degrees, this bit here is going to be 30 degrees, and each house is going to be 30 degrees. Obviously, if you start measuring something more than halfway through in a particular sign, you're going to end up with 2 signs of the zodiac to each of your houses, which doesn't matter. In equal house astrology, we don't care how many signs of the zodiac you've got in each house, and there will only ever be 2, unless your ascendant sign starts at exactly 0 degrees to the sign of the zodiac. It just doesn't matter. If you've got 2 signs in there, wahey, which you're going to have with the equal house system. So her chart starts in the sign of Virgo, so the ruling planet of Virgo is Mercury, and her Mercury is located in the 6th house. Mercury is happy in the 6th house because the 6th house is like the 6th sign. The 6th sign of the zodiac is Virgo. So she's got a Virgo ascendant, and her ruling planet is in the 6th house. So astrologically, that's useful and happy and fun for her. So each of the houses are exactly the same sign. Each of the signs of the zodiac are anyway going to be the same size. They're all going to be 30 degrees. And the difference between the equal house system, if you imagine that's the Earth spinning in space in the center of a chart, this horizontal line here is the horizon. Everything is all equal, and if you were to stand back from the Earth and you're on another planet that's not part of our solar system and you're looking at the Earth from the outside, this literally is the location of where all the planets were. So the equal house system is as if you're outside of the Earth and you're zooming about in space and you're looking at the Earth and you're looking at the correlation between all the planets in our solar system. Now, obviously, there's depth that needs to be taken into account here. So she's got Pluto in Virgo in her first house. Pluto's going to be bazillions of millions of miles away from the Earth itself. This is the Earth in the middle here. So we're well aware of that in astrology. It doesn't matter. They're still part of our solar system. Don't understand what I'm telling you? Please put a comment in the comments, to which I will reply. I won't be able to reply to all of them immediately because I do actually work. And it depends if I'm with a client or not. So I could be with a client, but I will get back to you as soon as I can, provided you give me a sensible question. I'm not going to be responding to people that aren't interested in astrology. This is a little video to just assist with how to create an equal house chart. So in a previous video, I've told you how you can make an equal house chart on the website astro.com. In this one, I'm just explaining about the house sizes and why it's easier, because even if you didn't have a computer program and you'd already calculated by using an ephemeris and various other different methods, you already calculated that the person's chart starts at 19 degrees Virgo, and you've made each of the houses start at 19 degrees. You could then literally by hand, by drawing this all out with a piece of paper and a pencil, you could add in the planets, because we know that the moon is 4 degrees Cancer, so it has to go up here. This is the sign of Cancer. The charts, the house starts at 19 degrees Gemini, so if our moon is 4 degrees Cancer, there's still enough Cancer left to plop it in there. And the little ridges on the outside, each one of those is, so this is 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. So each one of those notches, so this is Cancer, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, bump, and then the 4 is next to it. So you could, theoretically speaking, do this by hand and not actually need a computer program. So that's what makes equal house super, super easy.